Hey guys, welcome to channels another videos. Today I'm talking about second video. This is the kit lesson for your communication skills and your vocabularies. How to take this, how to take advice, how to get new thing from your books and to new thing of your as well as your friends. And I've talked about five sections, 5 hacks in this video. I've told you past video you can check out. I will give you link in description box, and nobody watch this video then they can watch easily and very step by step. I'm talking about new video and old video, but this is a good lesson, and like you can make a you can development to habit to learn vocabularies and easily and by growing in a divided every way. So I want to start my video. Before I will tell you, let's start without waste time. This is my toilet. So pleasure talking every time. And first is one is here. First one is here. Dictionary is your best friend. Of course, you to know about this is the person at best friend. If you don't make a best friend of your dictionary, how can you understand? How can you copy of your thought? How can you immerse your thought to anyone? This is the dictionary your best friend, because dictionary provides you new thing in your English personalities, in your development or your new thing, because you have to take idea from dictionary, take ideas new thing from this. I'm to use every time I can. Whenever I feel I keep reading, I keep focus on your dictionary, and I don't distract to anyone, because dictionary give me some tips from myself. Sometimes I'm watching another videos, I'm watching new things. If sometime you can talk to another and watching new news and new serials in English to English, they find vocabulary that is this. I know this is a great lesson. This is a part of your thesis you can use very easily, and if you to know how to which dictionary should I use, I will give you link in description box. You can read and you can check out, you can download after this and after video, not right now. And that's use the very fluent. I've been using for my tests. I've been getting lots of idea from that dictionary. This dictionary provided new thing, new everything, because new visualizations with sentences, with new antonyms, synonyms, and new provided that you can. This is a great lesson, great dictionary for your vocabularies. You should use to understand through dictionary and use very word, and the dictionary is the make the most of your vocabularies, and I hope you will able to understand that vocabulary, that dictionary. Then you can make a friend of dictionary, that it will help you in your vocabularies, in your English speaking and chances ahead. This for cam is improve vocabulary. Play the cams, especially if many vocabularies applications and dictionary you can search on Google, but you can't search such a perfect and excellent vocabulary of the play the cams. You can't play the cam with your new thing, new applications. But I will suggest or recommend this one application. This application is superb, and I wanna recommend in this video. And you can you can use you every time play the cam with yourself. And this is the Duolingo app. This is a Duolingo app. You can search on Google. If you don't know, you find this where's I find. I will give you link in description box. You can search, you can download from there. And I wanna tell you one thing. This is superb. I sometimes I've had time. I use Playcam with Duolingo app, and this is step by step. You can learn vocabularies, you can learn sentences, you can like it games, vocabulary games, and you can play with your vocabularies. This is one of best application I using. Also many people using. Many people have got knowledge from this channel, and with this application also channel available, also application also there. Learn words with environment, fun, and your family. Also you can play yourself at home, and without any stuck, without any disadvantages. Just you can play the game, this and advantage and many things are. I keep watching, I keep playing cam myself. I don't distract anyone myself also. Just I find new vocabulary from there. Putting excitement to play the game with this applications. So download this now and play game. Next is one, try your vocabulary test. If you don't know how to try your vocabulary test, you can search your applications and train YouTube channel, but you never find it how to test your vocabularies. You can test your vocabulary on yourself. One time get early and take a pen and pencil, their books, notebooks, go to outside and play sitting and special place there and take one write down whatever you learned last day. Vocabulary is 1, 10, 25 vocabulary you learned in a day in a week. Then so you can put down whatever you with making sentences. It may happen, it will help you increase the expand vocabularies, test your vocabularies. You can write down 100 vocabularies in a day because you have read what you read in a 1 week, and you can put down in a one place in a one morning, and you can test yourself there. I'm using every time, every day. The definition of your vocabularies, definition of your words, then you can use every scenarios word. You can use anytime, anywhere, anything type of this, and it will prepare very fastly and very helpful. Making a preface and start your preparing right now. Don't leave this opportunity. Test yourself every time. This will help you improve your vocabularies every time. You will never forget your new vocabulary, old vocabulary. This is I'm using. Also, you can use. Edit your writing yourself. If you don't know how to edit your writing yourself, you can use such as thing this here. Can you finish your piece of writing instead of handing it off to someone to edit? Try doing it yourself, going back to do. Take a look at it easy. You help you notice to your own vocabulary mistake. Take the time to swipe words or used to offer you synonyms. This method will help you use these synonyms in your future writing. This helps you your future writing and your future fantastic your way. You can use this, definitely you can search new things in your life. Second one is here, take a look at. Improve vocabulary, find your partner. If you don't know how to find a partner, go to Google, go to Facebook, Instagram, find a partner. It's with a phone of partner. Not a phone of partner, your normal partner is good water for your communications. And using your new vocabulary in your conversation, quite is excellent. Way to make it stuck in your brain. Find a partner that you can conversing, whether you're using your word. Also, you may exchange letter with your partner. Having a pen pals will help you enhance your writing vocabulary. When your partner writes back to you using different words, you'll incorporate their vocabulary into your own. Future improve your vocabulary every time. I'm to implement my skills of every time. I keep conversation with my friends by myself. I don't fear and unnecessary things with my friends. Finally, I have told you in this video 5-step hack. You can use in your method of personality. You can use your life and implement something new in your life, and don't stuck to anyone, don't fear off to anyone. This is your life. You can alive, you can do whatever you are learning. This is not difficult to your mind. You have to convince your mind, then convince after that is very free about all that. And to my mind is not rocket science, but I have to make my mind rocket science every time. I use that application whatever I have implemented in my life. So thanks for watching this video. I'm Christoph, and we will meet in new video tomorrow. And what I was saying, this is our life is separate, your part of separate. I want to implement your vocabulary, I want to implement your section 2. Then share with your friends and subscribe my channel if you like this video, and please support me. I'm Christoph.